Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix login error of your Smule account. Now, if you are trying to log into your Smule account but it's not happening, then you just need to watch this video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side and you just need to click on the option of airplane mode. So turn on the airplane mode and leave it for 10 seconds, and this helps you to reset all the network settings and also helps you to refresh your data or refresh your Wi-Fi. So after that, you may simply open Smule app and try to log in. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to go back to settings on your iPhone, and under settings you'll see the option of general. So click on it, and under general you'll see the option like about, software update, and iPhone storage. So click on the option of iPhone storage and scroll down until you see the option of Smule. So scroll down, then click on it. Here you'll see the option of offload app and delete app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to free up the storage and also helps you to fix the box or error which are on the app. So click on the option of offload app, and here you'll see the option of reinstall app. So click on the option of reinstall it again to reinstall it on a device. And after reinstalling the app, you just need to open the app one more time and check if your login is happening or not. So if you are logged into your account, that's great. If that doesn't help, then you just need to open App Store on a device, and from here you just need to search the Smule app and check if there is any update available. So if there is any update available, then you just need to update the app and try it again. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to delete the app and reinstall it again on a device. So click on the option of delete app and go back to your App Store again, and you may simply click on the option of cloud like icon. So after doing all of it, you'll be able to log into your Smule account, and also helps you to fix the login error which is happening on your Smule account. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.